Ready to get your first customers? When you open your dashboard and see your first sale, it is an incredible feeling. It makes all the time and thought you've put into finding your products, building your site, writing descriptions, and doing research on your competitors worth it. But waiting for those first sales can be nerve-wracking. So today I want to talk about 6 strategies that will help you draw in your first all-important customers. Number 1, leverage your current network. Your existing social network is a great place to start. The people who support you in your daily online and offline life are usually the same people that will support your new business. But you need to make them aware of your store, so start by posting a link to your social media channels. Think about which products would be great for a particular friend and share the product directly with them. You can add a special coupon to thank them for being one of your first customers. Now, if you're feeling uncomfortable with self-promotion, that's totally normal. The first time I made a business announcement on Facebook, I hit post and then I hid my face under a pillow. But letting people know what you're doing is an essential step for every business, and it's okay to be proud too. Number 2, advertise on social media. Facebook has over 2 billion monthly users across the globe. You can find people who are interested in everything on Facebook. If you want great traffic and conversions to your Shop1 page, you have to leverage social media advertising. Facebook, as well as other social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, give you tools to direct your ads to the people most likely to be interested in them. They also give you the tools to analyze the progress of your campaigns. This is important information because it will allow you to refine your ads as you continue to build. Number 3, tap into the power of customer reviews, ratings, and testimonials. How many times have you made a purchasing decision based on product reviews? Probably dozens, maybe hundreds. Positive feedback on your products gives you social proof. You want to encourage your satisfied customers to leave feedback and give testimonials because shoppers are skeptical about newly promoted products. The more reviews, ratings, and testimonials you have, the more trust you have. And the more trust you have, the more momentum you're going to have. People will feel more comfortable shopping with you when they see that others have had a positive experience. Ask your customers to take a few minutes and give you some feedback. Just a few in the beginning will get the ball rolling. Number 4, start a blog. Blogs are considered to be among the top 5 most trusted sources of information on the internet. It falls just behind news sites, Facebook, major retail sites, and YouTube. Blogging can help you save a lot of money, and it can help you build an audience of raving fans. It positions you as an authority. Updating your blog on a regular schedule builds trust and also gives you the opportunity to employ search engine optimization, SEO techniques, like title descriptions and meta tags. As you start building up quality content that's search engine optimized, your website will appear higher and higher in the search results. As more people start finding your shop, your chance for sales increases. Number 5, identify where your niche hangs out online and offline. If you want to influence people, you first need to know who they are. It's tempting to think that all you have to do is build a great website and people will flock to it. Of course, it takes more than that. You have to get in front of your customers, so it helps to think about where they gather online and offline. For example, if you're in the tech community, you can't afford to miss E3, Electronic Entertainment Expo. Networking at events like that gives you a huge opportunity to promote your products. People within a certain niche tend to follow the same leaders and channels. These leaders are influencers. You can find and target potential customers by visiting the pages of influencers in your niche. You can also visit forums like Quora and Medium and answer questions relevant to your market. You want to become part of the community. Number 6, encourage customers and visitors to join a mailing list. By the time a customer is on your website, you've already done a lot of work to get them there. You want to keep that customer in your network. One way to do this is to incentivize them to subscribe to your newsletter. Try offering a discount on their first purchase if they subscribe. You can also give them a sneak peek at upcoming products or an opportunity to win something if they opt in. Having subscribers gives you the opportunity to have an ongoing conversation with people who are highly interested in what you have to offer, and that is future sales. By consistently applying these 6 strategies, you can achieve tremendous success with your online store. They take committed effort, but it is so worth it to grow your Shop1 business to its full potential.